was spaghetti, all covered with cheese. I lost my poor meatball when somebody sneezed. It rolled off the table and onto the floor. And then my poor meatball rolled out of the door. It rolled in the garden and under a bush. And then my poor meatball was nothing but mush.
So, how many of you sang along? My tumbler didn't really run away on me. So now it's time to get serious. Look at the rocks, clean them up, get them in the next step.
Just to show you, I've captured some of the slurry from the stage one. Here's after a few minutes of settling out. See that? Forms like a concrete at the bottom. It just doesn't wash out. You don't want that in your plumbing. There's the rocks dry. So we'll get them into the tumbler. Once again, clear, clean water right to the bottom of the top row of rocks. .180, 220 grit, silicon carbide. And then when this shakes down, we're still well above half, really approaching 2/3, so I don't have to add any filler. Same amount of the medium grit as we had earlier, so it's 6 tablespoons for 3 pounds of rock. Button it up. We'll let it run for a week.